Hi, Miss Padora. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I'm Rowena Palomo Padora. I'm 44 years old. I'm healthy living from Kabuling, Tantangan, South Cotabato. I'm married.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have one daughter.
How old is she?
She is 22 years old right now, ma'am.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have 6 sisters and 1 brother. I am the second one.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I am taking Bachelor of Science in Mathematics, and then I'm college level because I got married earlier, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me about your... do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have work experience in Hong Kong for 5 years. I work Tunang Kaman. My duties and responsibilities are ironing, cooking, cleaning, pet care, laundry, marketing, and cooking.
Okay, did you also take care of kids?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are the kids?
The girls is 6 years old and the boy is 8 years old.
Okay, what pet have you taken care in Hong Kong?
Dog, ma'am.
How many dogs?
Only one, ma'am.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you worked in Hong Kong, what year?
From 2019 until 2024.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am very hardworking and cheerful and loving mother.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I got one on my neck, ma'am.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Nothing, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to support my daughter's school and my family's financial, ma'am.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them in a calm voice, ma'am.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.